What's going on YouTube? It's Barber Jace back with another video. Hope you guys are having a great day. Happy Chinese New Year to everyone out there. This year's Year of the Ox, so we're gonna have to go in hard, starting off with a 10-minute haircut challenge. Look at this guy's hair, it's mad long. We're gonna have to sort him out in 10 minutes, so let's go. So let's start the timer. I've got the timer on the screen as well. This video is gonna be straight 10 minutes raw footage. I'm not gonna cut or edit any bits out. You're gonna see exactly what I do in 10 minutes. So starting off, wetting down the hair, cutting my profile line, trying to get that in as fast as possible. So the client in my chair wanted to take off half the length of the top and he wanted a 0.5 fade. All of this done in just 10 minutes. His hair was crazy long as well, so it was definitely a good challenge. So after the profile line, we're going to comb everything over to the right and I'm going to sweep from the front. I actually had a wrong comb, I had to switch the comb quickly into a finer tooth comb to get better tension. So I'm doing a sweeping technique starting from the front, following my guide in the middle, which is the most important thing. Because the hair is long, you can see I'm doing the pinching technique where I comb the hair over and I pinch the hair like that and then I pull it up. So we are 1 minute in, I'm still cutting my layers. I could have done it a bit faster, but we're just getting warmed up. Let's see how it goes. Right here I actually cut my glove and it was kind of getting in the way, so I had to take it off quick. So I'm not speeding up the video. This is me moving in real time. I'm not lying, I was sweating when I was doing this. I hope this video can help you guys, to inspire you to cut hair more efficient. Time is definitely money when you're a barber, but speed does come with time and experience. So don't worry if you're a new barber and you're still taking long, just keep practicing. The speed will definitely come through repetition and time and experience. Definitely cross-checking my work because I did it so fast, I probably missed some bits out. Make sure cross-check your work. So right here I'm using a bit of clipper over comb to remove some weight. I'm creating a shape around the curvature of the head, around the parietal ridge, where the clipper work is going to go into, and this is also where the scissor work connects into the sides. And I'm just using clipper over comb, which is efficient and it just removes that weight quick. So a few tips for speed and efficiency. You definitely need a clear consultation at the beginning so you can plan out exactly what you're going to do. It's like if you're going on holiday, if you're going on a trip, you need to plan out how you're going to get there, what route you're going to take. Same with your haircuts. So at the beginning of the haircut, I already know exactly what I'm going to do. You need to think ahead what technique you're going to do next, what shape you're going to cut, what tool you're going to pick up next, so you're not wasting any time. Time is money and we need to get that money. So we are just over 3 minutes in and I'm using, I think, a number 3 to remove that weight just underneath that clipper over comb. In the barbershop, you are going to be under pressure with timing. Don't get me wrong, you're not going to be doing haircuts like this all day. It's better to spend a bit more time on your clients. Quality does come with time, but sometimes you are going to be in a situation where you need to move fast. Clients might be running late, you have to squeeze them in. Some clients need to be out the shop, they've got a meeting to go to. Sometimes you're running late and you need to catch up on some time. And you need to cut hair fast. You never know what situation you're going to be in, but you need to be efficient. So right now I'm putting in my 0.5. This shouldn't take me long. I'm not fading, so I don't have to worry about the pressure, about the angle of the blade. I'm just going straight in, taking it up to the line, and I'm pulling it straight out. When you're cutting as well, guys, sometimes it doesn't have to be perfect. You need to move on to the next step. You need to keep moving around the head. You can always go back and refine your work. So sometimes you can overdo it and spend too much time on a certain step. It's actually better to come back, rest your eyes. When the haircut is more complete, you can see what it looks like as a whole, and then you know what bits to touch up. So we are basically 5 minutes into the haircut. We're halfway through. The top's done. I'm starting my fade. We still need to shape up and blend it in. Let's see how we do. We've got 5 more minutes. If you're liking the video, make sure you hit the thumbs up, comment down below and subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you guys think. Big up to all the subscribers out there. Shout out to you guys. I appreciate all the support that I've had so far. We've got big things coming this year. It's Chinese New Year. It's Year of the Ox. It's going to be a good year for us barbers. Let's go. So with my fade, I'm working down with my guards, working all the way down to the 0.5 guard to fade out the line. When I was doing this, I should have clipped the fringe out the way. It was getting in the way with the front hairline, and I was struggling to fade out the front. I should have just moved it out the way with some clips. So with 4 more minutes left, we're almost done with the fade, so we're actually looking not too bad for timing. And this part of the haircut, this is when I started to feel the pressure. Only had a few minutes left. But you know what? Pressure creates diamonds, and we had to focus, we had to get the job done. To become a successful barber, I've always believed timing is essential. Being on time and reliable for your clients will definitely attract more business. You don't want to be that barber that's always running late for work, unreliable. You want to be that consistent barber, giving out them consistent, fresh haircuts, running on time, giving that good customer service. That's what you want to be. We are only going to become better. There's no going back. We're going to be consistently learning, consistently working on our craft. That's how we do it, man. That's what this game is about. So we've got 2.5 minutes left, trying to keep these lines as sharp as possible. Quality always comes first. Even though this video is about speed and efficiency, you don't want to forget about the quality of your work. You don't want to sacrifice quality for speed. You want to keep the quality high, but still maintaining an efficient speed. So when I'm doing the outlines, I'm always resting the back of my fingers on the skin for more stability and more precision. Also, when I'm doing curved lines, I always rest one finger as an anchor point so I can use that to pivot. Normally that will be at the front hairline or behind the ear. So 2 more minutes left. We just need to blend the fade into the top. And after that, we can spend some time on detailing and refining our work. So using clipper over comb to blend the sides and the top together. Because of the size of the comb, I can cover a big area and I should be able to get through that weight quite efficiently. Also, keeping your section tidy and organized will help you move more efficient. In my toolbox, I've got everything organized. I know where my combs are, where my guards are, so I know exactly what to do. I'm not wasting no time looking for guards or anything. But we've got 1 more minute, we're almost at the finish line. Just got some detailing work to do, some refining. Also, shout out to the cameraman, man like Derek, recording this video in 1 take. I'll put his Instagram in the description below. Make sure you give him a follow. Also, shout out to the client in chair for growing out his hair and allowing me to do a 10-minute cut on him. And make sure you follow my Instagram, barber_Jace. You can message, DM me any questions. I will always get back to you guys and I'll give you guys a follow too. So we are on our final 10 seconds. trying to finish it off, trying to get everything done. 3, 2, 1, and that is it, guys. Time is up. As you can see, I'm not happy with it. I'm still trying to touch it up. I took an extra 10 seconds, but that is it. So let's see what the finished result is in 10 minutes. You can see the timer matches. We didn't cheat. It was straight 10 minutes, and this is what we done. This is the result, guys. Hope you guys liked it. Tell me what you guys think down below. I'm gonna give you a little preview what I've done in 10 minutes. It could be better, but you know, not too shabby. There's a bit of a line there. It just needed a couple more minutes of refining and detailing, and that would have been a decent haircut. But for 10 minutes, I don't think I've done too bad. If you look at the before, his hair was super long. I had a lot of hair to work with, so it was a fun challenge. Definitely do it again. But you guys should maybe give it a try and let me know how it goes. You can see my client, he looks pretty happy with his haircut. He can't complain for 10 minutes. You know, I had to just touch it up a little bit more before styling him up. Putting in a bit of texture powder, using my fingertips to work it into the roots, and using a bit of wax to hold it into position. Bit of wax on, wax off for Mr. Miyagi. Using this comb to create a nice natural effect. And that is the before, guys. That's what he was looking like just 10 minutes ago. It's crazy to see what can be done in just 10 minutes. Well, technically it took me about 12 minutes to do, but boom, what do you think? That is the after, guys. That is the result. Let me know what you guys think. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm going to be dropping weekly videos for you guys, so make sure you stay tuned, stay fresh, stay faded, stay safe. It's your boy Barber Jace, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.